Hey everyone, it's Bree. I'm back with another scrapbook process video for the Hip Kit Club design team, and I'm super excited to be sharing this one with y'all today. I am working with the March 2021 main kit. Today is main kit only Thursday, so I am working with the main kit as well as a piece of white cardstock. That was another design team prompt for today, was to have our background as white cardstock, and then we are also supposed to incorporate 3 different photos on our layout. Okay, so I was immediately inspired by this mandala pattern paper, and it is called Heart's Desire. And I wanted to use it, but I didn't want to cover up a lot of it, and that's kind of what would happen if I would just use it as a base for my layout. So what I did was I went ahead and fussy cut one of the corners out, and then I'm going to fussy cut another corner out, and then I'm actually going to cut the entire mandala itself out. It is so gorgeous. I really wanted to highlight it and have it as a main focus on the page. So I'm just kind of showing y'all, this is me that just kind of fussy cut around, some of the little scroll parts. And then I also cut that other corner piece out as well. Now I did fussy cut a few of the pieces from this other pattern paper called True Story, and I mainly just wanted them to be like accents to my page. So these, what I'm working with here are exclusives. So March 2021, I believe everything except the color kit are all exclusive products, and I am so in love with this kit. There are so many great elements to it, and oh my gosh, I just love the Hip Kit exclusives. They're like the colors this month, with the purple, and yeah, it is just amazing. So what I decided to do to give my page interest is I popped up all of these fussy cut pieces out on some foam tape. That's just so they can pop a little bit more and just really just stand up off of the white background. So I popped it up on foam tape, and then I got to work on matting my photo. So for the green, I used the Fresh Daisy pattern paper, and then I matted the other 2 photos with the Good Times B-side paper. So since these photos of my oldest son, this is I think back in 2010 or 11, one's a vertical photo and then the other 2 are horizontal. So I usually don't scrapbook multiple photos, and if I do, a lot of them are vertical. So I thought I would challenge myself and use mix it up. So I had 2 horizontal and 1 vertical, and I thought it would be fun to highlight the vertical one where he's not being silly but more serious, and I thought it would kind of be the perfect photo to highlight. I can sit nice and for a photo, but the other ones just really show off his goofy personality, which I love. So yeah, so that's why I matted one with the green and then the other one with the lighter orange pattern. So I'm going through the main kit here and pulling out some of the ephemera pieces that I want to use. This was my first time really going through the ephemera pieces, so I was just seeing what there was and what I really wanted to add to my layout. So this is the next day, and I had a few pieces that I wanted, and I ended up pulling out one of the tags, the acetate tags from the acetate and die cut pack that's also in the main kit, and I chose the pink one. That way it could stand up a little bit or stand off the page a little bit more behind the green, just to add a little more pop of pink there. And if you're familiar with my work, I don't mind using more of the feminine colors for my boy layouts. My boys don't care. They know that I create for me, and I'm documenting photos of them, but they don't care about whatever color. They are totally fine with anything. So this was fun to incorporate some of the blues, but then also throw in some pops of pinks and purples like I usually do, and butterflies and flowers. So yeah, he's totally cool with it, and they honestly don't really care. I'm creating these for me, and yeah, so these are perfect. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken those fussy cut pieces from that True Story paper, and I have kind of staggered them on the corners of my page, but then I'm also going to add them around my photo just to kind of as if they were cascading down. And I'm also adding in the butterflies in that same line going down. So kind of framing hit that main photo a little bit, but then also just kind of carrying up. So I've also, let's see, what else have I added? Just a few of those ephemera pieces. I've added one that says "You Are My World." Then there's that little banner that says "Sweet and Fresh." And I'm taking these exclusive alphas, and I created my title that says "Say Cheese," just because he's just, it was like a fun little photo shoot, and he's so cute. I did add some of those floral acetate pieces, and I've tucked those into a few of my clusters. And then I'm going to add a few chipboard stickers and layer those up, and I will add some tangled thread right underneath that. And I did switch out that circular element. To me, I don't know, just the two circular elements, like with the one that says right on top, this says "So Happy," I thought it looked different to me because they were stacked on top of each other and it didn't really flow nicely. So I thought that changing it to this chipboard sticker that says "Enjoy Every Moment," it looked a lot better. And it kind of went in between the two photos. I don't know, it was just more pleasing to my eye to have that rectangle piece instead of another circular element. So lastly, I'm going to add some of these exclusive enamel dots in the same colors around my page. I love adding enamel dots and adding them as final details, but that was it. It is so simple. I loved working with the main kit only. It was really fun to challenge myself to see what I could use and pull out. And this to me is just bright and happy, just like Noah in the photos. So thank you so much for watching. I'll have everything linked in the description box below. Let me know if you have any questions or leave me a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.